I'm going to answer questions for about 5 to 10 minutes before we go into Kyle's presentation.
You plan on airline tickets to go to conferences?
Do we pay airline tickets to go to conferences? Yes, we will pay them, but only usually up to 4 members of your group traveling to that conference. And you can actually check out all of our guidelines specifically on airline expenses in the SAF guidelines on uvastudentcouncil.com/appropriations. Any other questions? Yes, ma'am.
We had a problem last semester when we got approved to spend money on something, but when we turned in the receipt, they saw that we purchased it before we got the actual approval. And
Right. Thank you for...
What's the guideline?
Yeah, thank you for asking that question. Our guideline is that the appropriations process is meant for budgeted future expenditures. So basically what you're doing is with our process, you're applying for things that you want to buy in the future. What we can't fund are things that you already spent money on or that you already, expenses that you've already incurred before you actually applied in one of our rolling rounds or semi-annual rounds. The main reason that is because we want to make sure that you don't spend money before you actually get an allocation, or that you don't spend money before we actually work directly with you to see how we might be able to fund those things. So that's our main rationale behind that. So another question over here? Yes, sir.
Yeah, this kind of relates to the first question, but I was wondering, do you guys fund airline tickets for guest speakers, or only?
Airline tickets for guest speakers. Yeah, we actually do fund airline tickets for guest speakers, so that's a really good question. Once again, though, if they obviously are very large expenditures, you may not get 100% of what you ask for, but we'll work directly with you to make sure that your guest speakers can come here. Piggybacking on that, though, we do not fund honoraria or similar gifts. The big difference between honoraria and speaker fees is that a speaker comes, if it's in their contract that they have to get a gift of some sort just to speak, that's what we call honoraria. We can't fund that. But we will fund any specific speaker fees, particularly for non-UVA speakers.